Balaton, a region of peace, charm, and timeless beauty. From sun-kissed shores to quiet vineyards and sailboats. Gliding across still water, this place doesn't rush. Life here is slow, grounded, and full of old-world magic. But no matter how beautiful Hungary is sometimes, we forget. What's nearby? Not a flight, not a border crossing, just a tranquil escape. Somewhere close, serene, authentic. And what if I told you that just a couple of hours from Budapest, there's a lakeside world that feels like a European coastal village, without ever leaving Hungary? A place where your feet touch cool grass instead of cobblestone, where mornings begin with birdsong and the breeze over water, and where your room opens onto vineyards or lakeside terraces. Welcome to Lake Balaton, Central Europe's largest lake and Hungary's most beloved retreat. In this video, we'll slow down, breathe deeper, and explore one of the most peaceful and culturally rich regions in Hungary. Let's begin. Lake Balaton stretches across western Hungary like a mirror to the sky, surrounded by rolling hills, charming towns, and quiet beaches. It offers a retreat that blends nature, history, and local flavor. The North Shore is home to historic vineyards, medieval ruins, and cozy hillside villages. The South Shore is flatter, more open, with long stretches of beach and family-friendly resorts. But both sides share the same gentle rhythm. When you arrive, everything shifts. The pace slows. The air softens. It's not about luxury. It's about feeling at ease. It's about waking up to silence, wandering through lavender fields, or sipping wine beside a still lake at sunset. Let's talk about where to stay. Balaton has options for every traveler, from rustic guest houses and boutique hotels to lakeside villas and vineyard lodges. But for something truly memorable, there are a few standout hideaways. Imagine waking up in a 200-year-old stone cottage, fully restored, tucked among the vines in Balaton, or staying in a minimalist, glass-walled room in Tihany, with panoramic views of the lake. Some villas have private docks. Others have spa baths under the stars. Inside, you'll find warm wood, soft linen, antique touches, and wide windows that invite the lake inside. Even though you're still in Hungary, everything about these places makes you feel like you're in a European fairy tale. It's simple, soulful, real. Of course, no trip to Balaton is complete without tasting its food, and this region offers some of Hungary's most underrated culinary gems. You'll find cozy cellars serving house-made wine and platters of local cheese, lakefront bistros with fresh fish, soft njos, summer, cherries, and lavender-infused desserts. You might dine at a long wooden table beneath vines, or sip a chilled rose at sunset on a dock. If you're staying in a villa, some offer a countryside breakfast delivered to your terrace-baked bread, homemade jams, soft eggs, and seasonal fruit. It's intimate. It's thoughtful. It's unforgettable. Now, what can you actually do here? Well, Balaton is not a place for loud crowds or schedules. It's for drifting, wandering, discovering slowly. You can rent a bike and ride through vineyard trails, sail across the lake, visit ancient castles, or just lie in a hammock and watch clouds pass over the hills. There are thermal spas in HBZ, artists' markets in KP Talent Thai, and peaceful monasteries in Tihany. Or you can simply sit by the shore as the lake turns gold with the setting sun. At night, the stars reflect on the water, the towns grow still, and there's just the sound of crickets and the soft lapping of waves. It's the kind of place where your mind quiets without effort, where your phone disappears and your breath slows. Getting to Balaton is easy. Hop on a train from Budapest and in 2-3 hours, you're at the lake. No flights, no stress, just a scenic ride into calm. As for cost, it depends on how you travel. Luxury villas and spa hotels can go from 100,000 to 200,000 UF per night. Guest houses and boutique stays can be much more affordable, especially midweek. But either way, what you get here isn't just a room, it's a reset. A few days by the lake can clear your mind in ways a city never could. So, if you're in Hungary or planning to visit, looking for somewhere quiet, soulful and slow, Lake Balaton might be just what you need. It gives you the charm of the countryside, the stillness of water, and the warmth of local life all in one place. Would you spend a weekend here among the vines and waves? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more hidden gems and travel stories from Hungary and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the lake.